You have to drain it first. You know, you have to drain it, then we can start it. So just do drain, try to exert whatever there is in your mind. Okay, I hope this is the last exam you are giving. You will be somewhere as a owner or developer or CEO in some of the companies. I hope so. So no more exams you will deal with now. This is the last year. I said that when I completed my BE Civil, of course I have BE Civil. I did diploma civil engineering and then graduation in civil engineering. That was my last exam. I said no, I won't give exam now. This is my last exam. And still I am giving exams. Tomorrow I may try to fill one exam. Tomorrow I may fill one application form to give the exam, one more exam now. Okay? I think. So in 2000 I completed graduation. Last 22 years I am giving exams only. Next year is 23rd exam and again giving some more exams. I will like to give exam related to patent agent, and that is good for you. You can also try. Because to clear that subject I need more stress, I need to take more stress, but no. About you, you're fresh, just completed graduation course and you're on the age of the excellence. Like 20, 21, 22 years a super fast train. In that mode you are, you can try exam. Patent agent exam is very good to get place. You'll give patent agent exam and you will try to grant some more patents. Like our customers will come to you and we will ask for some help from your side. So that is a good option for you. Try patent agent exam, try to fill that form. Tell them that result is awaited. Our last year, this year is, we wish to give exam, whatever the eligibility criteria are. Okay, side, this was not in the topic of this IPR and management. Just now, with the exam, this term come with my mind. Okay, so today we will try to talk on intellectual property right and IP management. I hope whatever you can read that you try to read. The screen is far away from me. Today we will talk on that. On the screen you can see my college name, AISSMS College of Engineering I am from. Just after graduation I joined this college. So last 22 years I was in AISSMS College of Engineering. And besides that, Institution Innovation Council is there. That logo is very good. That logo tell us what our institution is doing. Even your institution is doing with this, IIC. Government of India is expecting institutions to bridge the gap with the industry. So academic institution and industry is far away. Whatever knowledge you are taking here and what is required in industry, that is far away. So that should be closed with a bridge. This gap should close, we should close this gap with a bridge or connect with a bridge. That is this Institution Innovation Council. And Government of India, the Ministry of Education is expecting us to make it clear to you, students. Academics मध्येच थोडंसं इंडस्ट्री बद्दल पण माहिती व्हावं अशी Ministry of Education ची इच्छा आहे. So in that direction we are trying these topics. Frankly speaking, we are trying to fill the requirements of our portfolios. We are supposed to explain this to you. That is what is expected by government, and we are trying to do that. So same like you are trying to complete your submission, and when we are trying to complete our submissions. Okay, next slide please. In that, just below my name, I written that Advanced Innovation Ambassador I was. I am. And I saw your website. This is 25th year. That's great. So I am lucky that on 25th years of SWERI I am here to talk with the graduating students. Next slide please. So who can file the IPR? What is IPR? Anyone can tell? Non-form of IPR, you must be knowing this. Intellectual property rights. Who can file that? A. Miss, can I file IPR? Yes or no? That question, yes, you can file because you are an engineering student. That's why you said. Okay, civil engineers? No. Civil engineering patents are not there, not allowed. That's there, but yes, you can file application for, or you can file the patent application. Okay, and that's why these options are given. Mechanical engineer, civil, or electrical, electronics or computer. Yes, we can file patent. You can file patent because we are engineering student or we are engineer. Not like that. Even watchman can file the patent. There they won't ask you what is your education background, from which stream you are. They won't ask you. You can file patent. Anyone can file the patent. Anyone can file the IPR, intellectual property rights. Anyone can file that or expect that. Okay, that is about this. Anyone can file that. So think in this direction. Next slide, please. The candidates of my slides will be this. Background, not more. We are not going to talk the details of that. Whatever interesting is, that we'll discuss. So these are the candidates. Background, what is IPR, IP management, process, and some of the case studies will try. Next. Okay, intellectual property right. What rights you know? What is this? Intellectual property right. What do you know about this? What is the example of that? Patent is coming in this? I don't think so. Patent is coming in this? How many of you say yes or no? Patent is coming in this? Yes. Raise your hand. No? Raise your hand. No, we are not raising our hand. Okay. In IPR, patent is there or not? Yes, it is there. Few students say no, OMG. Yes, it is there. Intellectual property right. You have property, like bungalow, car, land is there, gold is there in a bank, locker. Yes, these are the properties. When like this, intellectual properties are also there with you, which you should lock somewhere. You should lock this somewhere. In a bank, we are keeping our gold so that no one should take it. है ना? है ना? कोणी चोरून घेऊन जाऊ नये म्हणून आपण बँकच्या लॉकरमध्ये म्हणतो. That is just like that. These rights, intellectual property, we are taking right on that and we are going to lock it somewhere. But this is my knowledge. You cannot use it blindly. You have to take my name before that. Say that this patent owner have given you this, and pay me the royalty. That is what intellectual property right is. Now, management, these are the examples. IP management. Just read it. I don't remember. Frankly speaking, always I tell you whatever the fact is. I don't remember all the names. Try to read it. Go5G. They have taken patent first. They have taken IPR first. And then they opened it. Then they published this in front of you. That yes, we are going to give you 5G card. So this is what IPR deals with. Check it. Geo 5G patent is there. You can find it on Google. This is interesting, really. It's interesting. Try to search. Haldi patent. Yes, some of the countries are claiming that Haldi patent is our patent. Then India is crossing on that. No, Haldi was used long before in India. We are using every day. Before marriage, we use Haldi. Then only we do marriages. So Haldi patent is taken by India, but we have not taken the right. We have not filed the application. Globally, Haldi is ours. That we have not said before. But other countries are saying that Haldi, we have used it first time. You have to lock it somewhere. Are you getting the point? You are understanding this? Okay. So whatever you are bringing in front of customers or other communities, first you try to lock it. And then you open this for all. So neem oil is also used long before in India. Neem oil is good. That we have said, but documentation is not there. We are not taking patent right. Or IPR, intellectual property right, we are not taking. These are the examples so that you will try your own patent first. And then you will open it in front of others. Okay, square root. Do you think that square root patent would be there? My principal, our college principal have patented this square root procedures. Square root. What is the square root of 4? It's 2. Well known. Everyone knows about that. But we could filed the patent on square root process, and he got the grant on the square root process of process patent details. There are types of patents. बोर नाही ना होतं तुम्ही झाला तरी ऐकावं लागेल पुढचं. The instrument for finding right angle. Instrument for finding right angle. Yes, we have used it in survey. Do you know that offset finding? So for that patent is there. One civil engineering professor have taken that patent. So not far away from us. Civil engineering professor on survey instrument, he has taken the patent. On what? Offset finding. One instrument which is finding the offsets. We have used it in surveying. Different process for mixing concrete, we can try. Different process we can try. Stapler process, have you heard about this? Stapler and patent. Yes. Stapler is, okay, someone might have done the patent on the stapler process, what the stapler process is, and everywhere we see that similar staplers are there, only colors are different. Otherwise similar staplers are there everywhere. It means that whoever that found that machine and did that patent, he might be getting in $billion or billion crore dollars royalties. That person might be getting. Every one of us is having stapler at home, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. So when we purchase that, royalty will be paid to that patent owner, whoever have done it. We are paying 0.01 rupee to that owner as a royalty. Just imagine. So this is what the patent is. Next slide, please. In that, okay, before this, that stapler, interesting part I forgot to tell you. Stapler we are using, and when the pins are over, we get to another pin is not there. Urgent work is there, but pin is not there in stapler. What should I do now? And then we roam here and there to search the pins. Yeah, so that one student did. She was in last year in electronics engineering from JSPM College of Engineering, Pune. She did one patent of same stapler with colored stapling pins in last. Last 5 pins will be colored pins. That was the best patent. Just imagine at the A. In last 5 pins, we get to know that our staplers are ending. We need to check where the balance pins are, and we will fill it. So this is what this way we can do patent. This is very good option, and in this age only you can try for. You can try for some innovations or some innovative process. Whatever with your interest, you can try for patent. And say that I have filed a patent. That will boost your CV. This is what, someone will read this? Can you read this? Please note that. Yes, please note that. New use of known concept is not allowed. Okay, these all we are using. You cannot claim that this is your patent. Even though, suppose, you cannot claim that this is your patent. No, कारण ते ऑलरेडी यूज मध्ये आहेत ते जे काय आहेत गोष्टी त्याचा तुम्ही रियूज तरी वेगळ्या तऱ्हेने करता. सो दॅट इज नॉट पेटेंटेबल कंडिशन. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Patent based on traditional knowledge. You can read that term patent is revoked. If you file that patent, they will revoke it. It is well known. You can't say that you have invented it and you are first person who is giving this. No. So it is revoked. तुम्हाला ते परत घ्यावं लागतं आणि तुम्हाला फाईनही बसतील जर तुम्ही दुसऱ्या कोणाचं उचललं पेटेंट तर चेक फर्स्ट दॅट तुम्ही कोणाचा असलेला पेटेंट उचलत नाही किंवा असलेला यूज रिनेम नाही करत. दॅट विल चेक फर्स्ट. नीम ट्री ऑइल पेटेंट रिवोक्ड. बासमती पेटेंट claims are reduced. Okay, Basmati patent is accepted, but some claims are reduced from that. Patent on mix of jamun. These are the examples of the cases which are revoked. What is the meaning of revoke? That you search in Google today. Next slide. Terminate patent. Check it. Why it is revoked? Okay. Just like that, new oil is there. got revoked. What is the meaning of revoked now? What is the meaning of revoked? You have to find it, huh? Revoke म्हणजे काय? And ते शोधा आणि मग तुम्हाला त्याचा अर्थ पण कळेल. Even if you read this line, you will get what is the meaning of revoked. It's already there. It's in use. It's not innovation. There is no novelty. You can't claim that this is your patent. So government will ask you to take it back. Okay? Next slide. These are the examples. What you should not do. This is about what you should not do while filing the patent. Next slide. Okay. So for that, why it is revoked? Because in Urdu language, it is mentioned already in the documents. So you can't say that this is your invention or you have done it first. Next slide. We'll do a little faster. तुम्हाला बोर नाही वाटायला पाहिजे तर थोडं फास्ट जाऊ. Neem-free oil patent is also because we are using it from 1000 years before. It's not innovation. Next. Startup Business Entrepreneurship Institute product process. What is requirement of this? Novelty should be there. Business you are starting, if we have novelty, other people will say, okay, this is startup. We should check it what exactly this startup deals with, and you'll get some funds from government or some angel investors, and then you can convert that startup in business. Only if something is new in that. Something is new in that. Then only you'll get the funds from government, and it will be known as startup. So novelty, innovation, and inventions are available in that. It will get converted into business or entrepreneurship, but you should log it somewhere. You should take patent for that first, or IPR. Okay, so innovations from university research, you can read it. Please read it. This way, at the time of education or graduation itself, you can try some patent applications. My students have filed patent before BE exam, BE project submission. For BE projects also, you can try some patents if you are dealing with the innovations. That will boost your CV. Try that. Okay, some examples are mentioned and highlighted. My example is very good. Check it. Kolhapur Shivaji University researchers got patent on best cancer. What it is written? Cancer drug. Cancer drug. So patent is granted, and the patent was submitted by a Shivaji University student, research scholar. So at the time of study, if you deal with this type of inventions, you should lock it. मराठी पिक्चर एक होता, मला नाव नाही आठवत, पण एक डान्स करणारी छोटीशी मुलगी असती, तिचे वडील गाडीला You remember that? It's a nice movie, that movie, and whole story of patent is there in that movie. त्यामध्ये सगळंच दिलंय, आणि एक तरी त्याच्यामध्ये फॅक्ट आहे की पेटंट म्हणलं की खर्च पण असतो. पेटंट म्हणलं की खर्च पण असतो, म्हणून आपण तिकडे जातही नाही. End of this presentation, I'll come on that point. असं काही नाही की तुमच्याकडे पैसे असतील तरच पेटंट होतो, असं काही नाही. I will tell you that. Okay, so I submitted 14 patents. This is my list. I've submitted 14 patents. Few got corrections which are corrected by me. Few got registered only. No more examinations are done yet. And few more will get grant. One patent got grant on this. And for that patent I have invested, I should say, around 90,000 to 1 lakh rupees. I'm not getting any return of that because at the time of PhD work, I innovated one instrument. Then I filed the patent. Yet I have not I'm not thinking about commercializing my product. Yet not. I'm thinking. I will think. And सगळ्यातून वेळ जर मिळाला तर I think I should commercialize my product. Yet I have not thought of. But I have invested 1 lakh rupees for that. And now I can say that it was invented by me. I use the instrument which is invented by me. I have taken all readings from my instrument. So that right is there, which I cost for 1 lakh rupees around. So next slide please. IPR is what? We are coming on the contents of the slides. Till now we have done only background. What's that IPR is and what's there, what can be done, only that we have thought. These are IPRs. So these are the possible options of IPR. What way we can lock our knowledge? What way we can lock our knowledge or property of knowledge? Like this. It's product patent. Go back. This slide. Patent. In patent there are two types. Product or process patent. We know patent as a single word. We know patent is there, but either product will be there or process will be there. Like I told you that square root process can be patented. And another is I have invented that pan. I can say product is invented. So that is what product is. Process is another part. Procedure, explanation of that is the process. Trademark. What is about this? This is also IPR. Trademark. I like car, Jaguar car, Audi, BMW. Trademarks are there. Maruti Suzuki. Trademark is there. Maruti Suzuki's S shape is there. Tata T shape. BMW blue color drawing on the round one. Mercedes this one. So this is what the trademarks are, which are designed, colored, and locked. This symbol cannot be used by any other company. Any other company cannot use BMW logo or trademark. Even Swedi is having one trademark. This is what Swedi's trademark. I cannot use it for my college. Even if my college is ready to be done, I cannot use this because this is locked. This is what trademark is, and on this we run our business. This is start of the business. म्हणून तर BMW चे, Mercedes चे, Jaguar चे आपण बघतो पहिला सिम्बॉल कुठला आहे, कार दिसली सिम्बॉल कुठला आहे. So that is what the trademark is. And in all types of businesses, we should try first with this. We should go with this trademark. We should take, and we should lock it with IPR process. IPR. One agent will help you to lock your trademark. Then goes copyright. Copyright. If you have done one drawing, you can do copyright of that. Even softwares, codings, copyright you can do. Movie Tanaji, it is done with the copyright, THANAJI. This copywritten title or movie name. And a copyright is taken. Song, copyright is taken. Music, copyright is taken. Artistic, whatever is there, copyrights are taken. No one else can take it. If someone else will take it, claim will be filed, and courtat will find them. The cases will see that. Then goes with the design patent. I have done design patent and around 3 patents are granted. Design patent. So 3 design patent plus 1 product patent is granted. Total 4 patents are granted with me. And it's just with the civil engineering knowledge, nothing more. Civil engineering knowledge and this basics. With that, I could find the patent. Design patent is what? You can say you can prove patent of this also, this shape. Or this background cover. You can do design patent of this. Design, colors or textures, not textures, drawings which you say. Color or drawing or pattern, you can do design patent. Now again, there are 2 areas which you can claim. National, in India only, patent you can file, or all over world. So international, national patent areas you can think of. तुम्हाला फक्त इंडियापर्यंत लिमिट करायचं आहे की इंडियाच्या बाहेर पण, म्हणजे बाहेरच्या सोबत कोणी तुमचं घेऊ नये ते तुम्हाला करायचं that you can think of. Next slide. Check the examples please. You check it. Examples of that. I told you that. Okay, next slide. This copyright example. Like this you will get one certificate. About if you have written one song, you can take copyright. If you have written one book, you can take copyright. On all books, copyrights are there. कारण ते तुम्ही लिहिलेले नवीन बुक असते कोणी जो ऑथर आहे त्यांनी तर त्याला कॉपीराईट घेऊ शकतो दुसरं कोणी कॉपी करू नये म्हणून नेक्स्ट स्लाइड These are the examples. Check the examples of trademarks. When we read this name, trademarks are there. है ना जट त्याच्यामध्ये ट्रेडमार्क येत होतं. So next. Yes. Now what is that? What is a trade? Where is the reband? That is no one else can take it. फक्त तीच कंपनी वापरेल दुसरं कोणी कॉपी केलं तर कोर्टात जाणार नाही फाईल बनवणार दॅट इज व्हॉट द इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ IPR नेक्स्ट 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 नाही नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट हां बस check it. This is the trademarks. Now we are coming towards faulty trademarks also. Copied trademarks also. We are coming to that point. Next. Now this is water bottle. We won't purchase it. Yet we get the trademark on that. Next. Yes. We will purchase it now. Next. Will you purchase this? Okay. Next slide. Read this. Dettol versus Dettol. Which will take? Dettol will take. So, like this, enemies are there, which are claiming that they are similar like you, and Dettol that Dettol is same, but properties are not there with that, and that's why trademark is very important. You create your trademark and go with your trademark. You symbolize your qualities. Next. And dependent will there with their कोर्टात जातील ते डेटॉल आहे ते कोर्टात गेलं देवताला खाली आणा म्हणून तसं म्हणून त्याला फाईन पण झाला कारण त्याचे कस्टमर जातात त्याच्यामुळे तसं कोणी केलं तर त्याचे कस्टमर कमी येतात चेक 1 लाखाचा त्याला फाईन भरावा लागला नेक्स्ट These are the examples. Yes. It's similar. Everything is taken. Colors and designs of the wrapper is also taken, which is wrong. Starbucks is also coming. Listening the words or reading the PPT, this is more clear to you. It makes how much important the trademark is. When you start your company, you create your trademark and give your properties, qualities, then your trademark will be on. I have seen one two-wheeler, Jupiter was there in front of me, and on that BMW sticker was there on petrol cover. There the BMW. I said, okay, I wanted to purchase one BMW car. This is nice option. I should stick that sticker on my Activa. Now I am riding BMW. Next. Copyright. As I said, if you are writing one book, you can take copyright. If you are making some drawings which are ideal, not made before, you can claim that this is my first drawing. This is not done before. You can claim for copyright. Next, these are the copyright options. Any artistic content you can do copyright. Software, copyrights are there. Patents are not there for software. Copyrights are there. How the software is built, what are the contents, codings are there. That way, no one should use it, so copyright can be taken. These are the exceptions from that. Now we are coming on the design which you can try for. You can say that is my patent, design patent, and you can see. These are the examples of design patent, industrial designs which are novel, different designs you are giving. तुलसी वृंदावन में डिजाइन केलं जे पहिलंच डिझाईन आहे आतापर्यंत I can file one patent of design and I can claim that is the first design made by me, purchase it from me, that I can claim. I've taken one, I opened one company, suppose I started one company, started with that, and I've taken trademark of my company, and now I am doing some products. And for those different products, I can claim design patents. So this is very simple, and to run in the market or to attract customers, we can do this. We can do this. These are the options. Check it. Designs. Same process are done by both the options, both blue color and steel color. But designs are different. Colors and shapes are different. Check it. Dustbin is there. Designs are there. This is nothing but designs, not structural design. Look wise, what the look of that is design. Okay. So these are the options, and in design we need only 6 figures. 6 images of that product only are required in this design. Okay? Next. तुम्हाला बोर झालं की सांगा पास आता थांबवू नको पण. असं काही नाही की सगळं सांगितलं गेलं पाहिजे. आतापर्यंत पण भरपूर समजलं. Now we are entering the patent. Now we are starting the patent. Patent is little bit confusing and difficult to understand, but we should know what a patent is. Before this, you have not listened patent or IPR lectures? Yes, you were present and असं झालं की present होता पण ऐकलं नाही की ऐकलं पण समजलं नाही. काय ऑप्शन आहे तो दुसरा की पहिला? काहीच केलं नाही. काहीच केलं नाही. पेटेंट ऐकलं नाही याच्या की मराठीत नाही ऐकलं. ऐकलं की नाही ऐकलं? ऐकलं म्हणजे पेटेंट माहिती आहे आणि आपण फक्त रिफ्रेश करतो है ना. आतापर्यंत बोर झाले. आता कंटिन्यू करू अजून 5 मिनिटं. 5 मिनिटात संपून टाकूया. पण एक आहे की स्वेरीला मानलं पाहिजे. बीचे स्टुडंट, बी सिव्हिलचे स्टुडंट इतके समोर इतका वेळ एकाच आवाजाला ऐकू शकतात. त्याचा थिअरॉटिकल कंटेंट आहे की एका जागेला 20 मिनिटाच्या वर बसू शकत नाही. एका जागेला 20 मिनिटाच्या वर माणूस एकच आवाज ऐकताना बसू शकत नाही. मी थिअरी सांगते, पण जन्मल्यापासून कंटिन्युअस तास काय 2 तास काय आपण एकच आवाज ऐकत आलो. त्यामुळे आपली कपॅसिटी 20 मिनिटं नाही 20 तास झाली आहे. बोर कोणी होत नाही. स्वेरीची मुलं तर नाहीच नाही. If you are dealing with a new product or new process, should try patent first. Then you should present it somewhere or publish it somewhere. What we know till now, project is there. You are making project. Okay, do the conference, write one paper in the conference and publish one paper. These options we know. Before publishing patent paper or going for conference, we should try patent. If novelty is there, should try patent. Then you go towards conference or publications or competitions. Lock your knowledge first. You take a registration or license of that, and then you present it in front of others. In civil, it is difficult to find out patents, novelties, but still, many patents are possible in civil. As a civil engineer, I filed 14, so you can file more than 100. 15. कारण तुमच्या या एजमध्ये नाविन्य भरपूर तुम्ही आणू शकाल. फक्त थोडंसं लक्ष द्यावं लागेल. Okay, the patent is limited for 20 years. To extend it, we will fill the form again. and various fields are on: electrical, electronics, mechanical, biotechnology, pharmaceutical. Where are the civilians? Tell me. No, where are the civilians? But civil engineering work is done with this applications. In mechanical, machine will be there, then only we can mix the concrete. Yeah. But how to mix the concrete, that is known by civil engineer only. What machine will do, only it will rotate. But what the process is, that we know. We can type it. Right? Next slide. Okay, what the back side, or something is written. Both product and process patent you can do. Either you bring one new product or new process you bring in front of others. Next. Some key points these are. Check it. Novelty should be there in that. I filed one patent on embankment. Think about it. Embankment. की मातीचा ढिगारा बनवलाय, तो कसा बनवला त्याच्या प्रोसेसचं पेटंट मी लिहिलंय. But process patent is nowhere. I just explain it textbook, but patent is not taken. That I came to know. So I filed patent. Yes, embankments are there, but what the procedures of that embankment are, that should be patentized somewhere. So next slide. Three important aspects are there: novelty, inventive, and industrial applications should be there with the patent. Next slide. These are the options: process, product, article for manufacture, composition of matter, or new and useful improvements. These are possible options. Like square root, finding square root, file application for patent. File patent. Square root file. कित्येक वर्ष स्क्वेअर रूट काढत आलो आपण काय आपले पूर्वज त्यांचे कित्येक वर्षापासून चालू स्क्वेअर रूट पण त्याचा प्रोसेस पेटंट होऊ शकतो. Just read it. How we can increase customer count. To patent first, and then we should say, I've patented this pattern. Customer will get attracted towards you, and that customer will take the piece. Otherwise, everyone is having same color shirt. Checks shirt is there, okay. The same colors are available in market. Because I claimed it, something on patent, customer will get attracted. So how to attract customers towards our product? For that is. तुलसी वृंदावन बऱ्याच ठिकाणी सगळ्यांच्याकडेच आहे. माझं नाविन्य मी पेटेंट केलंय. माझ्यामध्ये लिहिले आहे ते तुम्हाला काहीच बघावं लागणार नाही की मी क्लेम करतोय की मी माझं जे काही तुळशी वृंदावन आहे 20 वर्ष तुम्हाला पेंट करावं लागणार नाही है ना. किंवा म्हणजे एक्झाम्पल सांगते, आय कॅन क्लेम तुम्हाला रोज दिवा लावायलाच लागणार नाही. इनबिल्ट आहे सगळं, फक्त तुम्हाला ऑन करायचं, मोबाईलवरती लाईट ऑन करायची. कुठे पण असाल जगात तुम्ही समजा US मध्ये तरी पंढरपुरातला तुळशी वृंदावनमध्ये लाईट लागेल का? लागेल. सो दॅट यू आर क्लेमिंग प्रॉडक्ट तुमचे असे जाते. So what to claim that you find? Customer attract करणारे points you can try with the patents in the market. Next, this I think the patent. Blue color sheet is there. Patent is granted. Patent is granted for 20 years. This no one else can say that. This product or process is done by another person. Whosoever, whatever name is written on that person have done it. Whose name is that? Is it mine? I don't remember whether my patent is published there or not. What the name is? It's not visible. Okay. So on this, your product name will come, product or process name will come, and your name will come as a product. And 20 years, this will get law. This is real certificate you get from government. Next. Now, interesting story is that case study. This is the case study. What's this? I said 5 minutes. In more 5 minutes, case study will end, and then we'll have question and answer. We'll finish. आता मी नाही बोलत, तुम्ही बोला. What is this? Boys. Stumps. मुली सांगता सगळं, मुलं काही सांगत. Stumps आहेत त्या? नाही stumps कुठे आहेत? आता अशा स्टम्प येतात कुठे? खूप पूर्वी होते. कुठल्या काळातले असतील स्टम्प्स? 19 मधले असतील का? 1990 or 1970 काळातले असतील का? परचेस कराल का तुम्ही? तुम्ही या नाही का खालचं तुम्हाला ते 3 स्टंप ठेवण्याचं हे पण पाहिजे, फाउंडेशन पण पाहिजे बरोबर. तुम्ही कुठे ते मारत असणार आहे मातीत है ना, म्हणजे तुम्हाला त्याच्यात नाविन्य पाहिजे. यूज इज सेम, स्टंप इट इज. It will be used in a cricket game, but you are not going to purchase this. Customer is not going to get attracted towards this. So, what the next process will go? You have to invent it. You have to innovate this product. Oh, this I want. Everybody say, this I want. So, tell me, can we bring such inventions in our product? Stumps. This is an example in front of you. Go back slide. This was the stump which was used in Kasoti or one day at the time of Sunil Gavaskar or Tendulkar also. But then that person made, one person, I don't remember the name of that person, he filed one patent. He did some invention in that and he filed the patent. What he might have done? He might have colored that patent. Stump. Color in the pen, stump. Colored stump. I have patented this. This is my product. No one else can color this color. That person might have given red color, yellow color, green color, black color, white color, all colors. So these are my patents. No one can take it. जर कोणी घेतला ते जर प्रॉडक्टला कुठला कलर कोणी जर दिला तर तो कोर्टात जाणार, त्याच्यावरती क्लेम करणार, ते फाईन खात बसणार. इमॅजिन करा की मार्केटमध्ये दुसरं कोणी आणूच शकणार नाही. त्याने पहिलं काम काय केलं की कलर दिले. तर तुम्ही काय करा, तुळशी वृंदावनला सगळे कलर द्या, सगळ्याचं पेटेंट घ्या. तुळशी वृंदावनच आहे पण पेटेंटच नाही घेतलं कोणी. मी तुम्हाला फक्त एक एक्झाम्पल ऑन करते. लाईक दिस मेनी एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत. हे फक्त एक कॅज्युअल एक्झाम्पल दिलं, असे बरेच एक्झाम्पल असतात. Okay, we'll go to this next. You search this in Google and check the biography of that person who has made that patent, and he's earning in crores. In crores. Every match, his stumps only are reserved, and those stumps are only used. No one else can claim better than that. No one else. आणि जर कोणी केलं क्लेम तो त्याला फाईट करेल आणि कोर्टात होईल. असं कुठलं तरी प्रॉडक्ट पाहिजे तिथे तुमचंच चालेल आयुष्यभर मार्केटमध्ये, त्याला म्हणतात पेटंट. तसे पेटंट केले गेले पाहिजे. मला नाही सुचलं, तुम्ही सुचायला बघा, तुम्ही ट्राय करा की स्टफ सारखं कुठलं मिळेल का तुम्हाला आणि तुम्ही करू शकता का त्याचं मार्केट. तो आज घरी बसून फक्त रिझर्व कोण करतं त्यांना ते देण्याचं काम करतो. सगळ्या मॅचमध्ये त्याच्या स्टफ वाचल्याचं असं मी ऐकलं. तुम्ही सर्च करा गुगलमध्ये आणि बघा. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. System was that? Okay. I don't remember. I don't remember. What's that? You understood? Or not required? What's written in that? Are stumpers दिसत आहे समोर? Those person दिसतोय नाही. काय करतो ते दाखवतात ना, त्याचा फोटोग्राफ दाखवतो की तोच प्रत्येक मॅचला कसा देतोय. त्याच्यामध्ये काय काय आणले सांगा इन्व्हेन्शन. आता पहिला फक्त लाकडी 3 स्टंप होत्या, लाईट्स आणले, कलर्स आणले, साऊंड आणले, कॅमेरा आणले, सगळंच आणलं त्याच्यामध्ये, सेन्सर्स पण आणले. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. क्लेम. ओके, गो टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. यू विल चेक दिस इन गूगल what that person is claiming. Okay, so many options are there that with the available system you can come with some inventions, some more inventions you can bring. Stump मध्ये आलेले दाखवलं तसेच तुम्ही असलेल्या सिस्टीम मध्येच काही वेगळे आणू शकाल इन्व्हेन्शन, तर बरोबर. आता मी इथे उभी आहे, मला इथे जर दिसलं या डेस्कवरती सगळं की मला इकडे बघायला लागणार नाही. दॅट इन्व्हेन्शन आय एम एक्सपेक्टिंग. But okay, my presentation is going on. I should be able to read my. No laptop is there, only desk is there. I have to click or connect only pen drive. I can see the monitor. That is expected. So this is just example. Many inventions are possible. आपल्या इंटरेस्ट प्रमाणे आपण बिझनेस मध्ये ग्रो करावं, सुरू करावे बिझनेस. That is what a patent is. Next. Check some examples of that. Now, no need to talk about. I'm expecting some of the questions from you. We'll go to the next slides. Okay, next slide. Read and check the slides. We can claim patent from this. Without electricity, we can preserve food, vegetables. This process and product can be patented. Next. Just read it. Interesting it is. Interesting this. So come with the available problem in market. Try to find out solution. इथे या रूम मध्ये 60% आहे 60% are there in this room. Everyone thinking patterns are different, not similar. So this is one example. Next, check the example. Next. We can patent this. This we can patent. Because we are giving solutions which are not available now. What's in this? It's lifting that iron up. Claims on that. What these patents are claiming. की काय झालं त्याच्यामुळे म्हणजे त्याचं इन्व्हेन्शन आहे की काहीतरी डेटा घेऊन इन्व्हेन्शन आहे. नेक्स्ट. Claims are that we can claim that this is different. These are all patented options before. So any question on this? You can ask questions. No more question? Everything is very clear. Nice question then. Okay, I have not told you about any question is there? Or shall I give you answer directly? Question is like that. Answers. Yes, that I was expecting. The how to file the patent. Yes, very good question. Any more question? Nobody is asking question. Why? Huh? Okay. How to file the patent? If you have inventive idea, innovative idea, novelty is there in your idea, you have to write description of that. Some of the figures you have seen, iron was there. Diagram of that is if required. Diagram of that, description you have to write, you have to claim how your that article or that product or process is new or novel. That you have to claim with the description. And in end you have to write the claims. You are claiming that this is new, not made before. How it is new? That you have to explain. That is what the claim. So 3 parts are going in that. One is introduction. Abstract will be there in that. Second part is description, whole description of the process or product. And third part is figures. These 3 documents you will create as per the given format, and you will fill the required forms. पेटेंटसाठी काही फॉर्म्स आहेत, लिस्ट असते त्याची. त्या लिस्ट प्रमाणे तुम्हाला फॉर्म्स भरावे लागतील पेटेंट ऑफिसला. इफ यू चेक वेबसाइट Indian Patent Office, IPO, Indian Patent Office, if you search on Google, you will get all the required forms and format also. What are the fees of that? That should be the question from you. For design patent, around 1,000 rupees is a fee for design patent. If you are filing at your own, if you take with the agent, around 3,000 or 4,000 that agent will claim. So out of that 1,000 is a government fee. He will take his 3,000 from you for processing. So तुमचं तुम्ही स्वतः केलं तरी होऊ शकतं. Copyright around 500 rupees the fees. Government fee 500 rupees only. You can try that. Online सगळ्या प्रोसेस दिलेल्या आहेत. तुम्हाला कॉपीराइट हवं तर तुम्ही कॉपीराइट घेऊ शकता. सगळ्या प्रोसेस दिलेली आहे. कॉपीराइट इंडिया सर्चला टाका. तुम्हाला सगळी प्रोसेस मिळते. वेबसाईटवरती सगळं दिलेलं आहे. फॉर्म पण दिले आहेत, पॅटर्न आणि फॉर्मॅट पण दिले आहेत. Template पण दिले. Trademark around 5,000 to 6,000 the cost it will do, around 5,000 to 6,000. for patent, if you are going to file your patent at your court, around 9,000 rupees will be there to get examined it fastly. If not, generally application if you are made, it will be around 1600 to 1700 rupees only. So like that, around 2,000 all fees are only to get familiar with the process and required forms. तुम्हाला फक्त काय करायला लागेल, तिथं वेबसाईटवरती जाऊन सगळं रीड करावं लागेल व्यवस्थित आणि फॉर्म भरावा लागेल. ऑनलाईन सबमिशन प्रोसेस आर ऑल्सो देअर and as I told you, patent examinations are also there. Patent agent examinations are also there. After B or before B, you can try for that. Okay? Any more question? No more question? Okay, all the best for you.
Thank you, madam, for giving such a nice session on intellectual property.
सिव्हिल इंजिनियर कसं असतं, आपण पेटंट वगैरे मध्ये एवढं जात असतो, आपण टेक्निकलच फक्त खेळत असतो. पेटंट गेला आणि करू तरी बघू तरी काहीतरी स्वतः लर्न केलेल्या ह्या गोष्टी. अदरवाईज असं याला कधी ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम वगैरे जाते. हां, आय डिड NPTEL फॉर दॅट. NPTEल कोर्स आय डिड. आय गेव एक्झाम लाईक दॅट आय डिड.
मॅडम जी काही इन्फॉर्मेशन दिली पेटंट तयार करण्याची किंवा प्रोसेससाठी, डिझाईन प्रोसेससाठी, ती खूप महत्त्वाची आहे. तुम्ही आता लास्ट इयरमध्ये आहात. यू हॅव मेनी टाईम, पूर्ण आफ्टर कॉलेज अवर्स वेळ आहे. यामध्ये तुम्ही मॅडम जे काय आता तुम्हाला सजेशन दिला त्या पद्धतीने तुम्ही एखादं पेटंट काय करू शकता, फाईल करू शकता. फाईल केल्यानंतर आफ्टर ग्रँटिंग अर्निंग पण तुमचं चालू होऊ शकतं. सो दॅट इज बेनिफिशियल टू यू. तर त्यासाठी काय रिक्वायरमेंट तुमची असेल, परत आणि मॅडम एका महिन्यानंतर वगैरे आपण आलोचमधून मॅडमला बोलवतो. इकडे लक्ष द्या, मॅडमने आतापर्यंत 15 पेटंट फाईल केलेले आहेत. ओके, इफ यू वॉन्ट एनी सजेशन्स, एनी गाईडलाईन्स हाऊ टू पेटंट फाईल, परत ग्रँटिंगसाठी, एजंटसाठी काही जर माहिती पाहिजे असेल तर वी कॅन डायरेक्ट कॉन्टॅक्ट टू द मॅडम. ठीक आहे, तर मॅडमची हेल्प करा. मॅडमने आजच्या सेशनमध्ये पण खूप छान इन्फॉर्मेशन दिलेली आहे. तर त्याबद्दल मॅडम मी पण तुमचं थँक्यू म्हणेन, कारण मला पण इतकी इन्फॉर्मेशन माहिती नव्हती. आय हॅव ऑल्सो फाईल वन पेटंट, बट इट इज नॉट ग्रँटेड. इट इज ऑन द प्रोसेस ओनली. विदिन 6 months इट विल बी ग्रँट. ही जी काही प्रोसेस आहे तुम्हाला कुठले शिक्षक कोणी सांगणार नाही. आता जे मॅडमनी सांगितलं, ओनली वी आर लर्निंग द सिव्हिल इंजिनिअरिंग सब्जेक्ट, त्याच्या बियॉन्ड आपण जातच नाही. पण आता जी काही माहिती मॅडमनी सांगितलेली आहे अबाउट द पेटंट्स, हाऊ टू फाईल, हाऊ व्हॉट इज द प्रोसेस, या सगळ्या गोष्टी तुम्हाला बियॉन्ड कराव्या लागतील. इट इज कंटेंट बियॉन्ड द सिलेबस. सो दॅट टॉपिक इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट अँड दॅट वी शुड नो. आणि या पद्धतीने तुम्ही आता विचार करू शकता, तेवढं तुमचं माइंड फास्ट चालतंय, लक्षात घ्या. सो दॅट इज व्हेरी मच हेल्पफुल टू यू. सो थँक्यू मॅडम फॉर कमिंग हिअर. अँड सगळ्या विद्यार्थ्यांना पण पेशंटली लिसन केल्याबद्दल मॅडमचे लेक्चर थँक्यू. थँक्यू. आता 15 मिनिटाचा ब्रेक राहील. ओके, बरोबर 4 वाजता लेक्चरला या.
गेली तिने